This is question 13 from exercise 20.1 in Project Maths 2. The function f is defined as the f of x is 7 minus 3x, where x is an element of R. For part 1a, we have to find the f of minus 2, and for part 1b, we have to find the f of 24. Then for part 2, we've defined the number k such that k times the f of minus 2 is equal to the f of 24, where k is an element of R. Let's take this one step at a time. So for part 1a, we've defined the f of minus 2. Well, that's what we get when we put minus 2 into the function in place of x. So what we're going to get for that is 7 minus 3 times minus 2. And that's when we multiply that out, we're going to get 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. So 13 is the f of minus 2. And then if we do part b, the f of 24, the f of 24 is what we get when we put 24 into the equation in place of x. So it's going to be 7 minus 3 times 24, which is going to be 7 minus, and 3 times 24 is 72. So that's going to be equal to 7 minus 72. So it's going to be minus 65, like that. And then for part 2, we've got to find the number k such that k times the f of minus 2 is equal to the f of 24. So that's going to be k times, and we already figured out the f of minus 2 here in part 1, it's 13. And that's going to be equal to the f of 24, which we figured out in part b, and that's minus 65. So that's a linear equation with one variable, so we're just going to go bring our 13 across. So it's going to be minus 65 divided by 13, which means k is equal to minus 5. And that is that.